Hi there foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best Guyanese whole wheat butterflap. It is absolutely delicious, quick and easy. So first you'll need some sugar, salt and water. I went ahead and add my yeast there. I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then I go in with some softened butter and some Crisco lard. Then I have some whole wheat flour and a little bit of AP flour that I'm going to mix together and add it to the yeast mixture a little bit at a time. Knead that until it forms a dough. After which you're going to add just a little bit of oil to the bottom of your bowl and you are going to rest your dough, cover and let it sit in a warm place. After a double in size, you're going to give it a quick knead again. Then you're going to divide it into equal parts. Now you're going to roll your butterflap out. You're going to make a nice round circle. You're going to spread your softened butter, fold it in half. Then you're going to spread some more butter. Just like that. Make sure to clean your edges. Then you're going to fold it again. After which you're going to place in your baking pan, cover for about 20 minutes. And then you're going to bake until it is nice and golden brown. Then you're going to add your softened butter. You're going to just brush the top to give it that nice sheen. As you can see, it is so soft. It's absolutely delicious, guys. I can't wait for y'all to try this one. And that's it. This is your whole wheat Guyanese butterflap. Do enjoy. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. See you all on the next video. Bye-bye.